of HCF. Question 8. We are asked to find the HCF of 42 and 63. So we shall begin using the least common prime factor, and is 2, but 63 is not divisible by 2 because 3 which is the last digit of 63, is not a multiple of 2. So we shall then test for 3. Can 3 divide? The condition for divisibility by 3 is that when you add up the digits of that number, it should give you a number that is a multiple of 3, or that is divisible by 3. So we start with 42. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. So 3 can divide 42. Can we say same for 63? Yes, because 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3. So 3 can divide. 3 into 4 is 1, remainder 1. 3 into 12 is 4. 3 into 6 is 2. 3 into 3 is 1. So we now have 14 and 21. Is there any other common factor? 3 can no longer go because 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 is not a multiple of 3, but 3 can still go into 21 because 2 plus 1 is 3. But just like I said, the factor you are using must be common. Okay, so 3 can no longer go. The next is 5. 5 cannot go because the last digit of these two are neither 0 nor 5. That is the condition for divisibility by 5. So we use the next, which is 7. Yes, 7 can divide because 14 and 21, they are said to be multiples of 7. So 7 into 14 is 2 times, and 7 into 21 is 3 times. So nothing else can divide. That leaves us with our HCF to be equal to 3 times 7. And 3 times 7 is said to be 21. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on HCF.